Multitool USA. I'm here to show you the advantages of using a multi-tool on your bench grinder. I've added 4 surfaces to work off of, and let's get started here and I'll show you. The first surface of the multi-tool that you can work off is the 7-inch disc. I'm going to take the tip of the railroad spike here, rusty old railroad spike, and I'm going to tear that down. It'll remove metal 5 times faster than a stone. See how fast I kick down that metal? I've also got the platen on the top I can work off of. And you've got the free strap underneath here you can work off of. You've got the rubber contact wheel you can work right off of. I'm using a 40 grit belt on there right now, and I'll strip that rust off there in a matter of seconds. See how quick and easy it took that rust off there, but I've left myself a lot of deep scratches. The nice thing about the multi-tool is how easy it is to go from belt to belt. I'm going from a 40 grit belt, and I'm going to go right up to a 100 grit belt in just a matter of seconds. Right back to work again. It'll take out those deep scratches and be ready for the next belt after that. This is a great finishing belt. It's great for sharpening tools or knives. Great metal finishing belt, preparing it for polish. You'll see I'll take out those fine scratches in a matter of seconds here. I've got a tracking lever here for my belt. The belt does all the work. I barely need to even touch the metal to it. You see I've removed those fine scratches. Now I'm ready to go on to a polishing belt. That'll be my final step here. So now I'm going to the 3M polishing, Superfine polishing belt. And I'm going to put a little black rouge compound on the belt to bring out the shine of the metal. Apply the compound to one side of the belt, apply it to the metal. And simply buff it off on the clean side of the belt. So you can see within 4 belts in less than 4 minutes time, I brought a finish out on that railroad spike. It used to look just like that. So it's a much more versatile tool than just having a grinder sitting in your shop, not getting any work out of it. Hi, this is Greg with Multitool. I have all the different belts available that you just watched in the demo. The Multitool belt starter kit comes with 3 abrasive belts, 3 metal finishing belts, polishing belt, 3 discs, and 4 bars of buffing compound. So you're able to do just the exact same things I was able to do in the demo, plus an array of different applications.